It's an ad blocker that works on Twitch, YouTube, Amazon, and everywhere else you go on Chrome. And if that seems too good to be true, it's not. Over 500,000 people have downloaded it in just the past few months. It's available for free on the Chrome store right now, yet you're still watching this ad like an absolute doofus?
No,
Incredible.
I'm just
Plus,
using you right
I
now
will
because I
actually
gotta
pay
do
you money
something.
to see ads. Crazy, right? Good luck finding another ad blocker out there that does that. But don't take my word for it. Trust the hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. So what are you doing? Get Pi right now and say goodbye to ads forever.
I'm here, y'all. I'm just making sure that
Are you ready to see your brand on TV? Your competitors will wish they had known about Vibe. With Vibe, you can launch targeted TV and streaming ad campaigns using our powerful platform that combines simplicity with deep market insight. Not only can you choose from over 500
I'll just take
channels
that
and
too.
apps,
Thank you,
but you can
Mr.
also
Fire
tailor
Ship.
your reach from
Your content is
nationwide
very needed.
audiences
I just
to
need
local
your
viewers
description
with
as
precision.
well.
Getting started with Vibe is incredible.
What, y'all don't think this
Just log in,
programming?
set up your campaign
Go on
by selecting
GitHub.
your audience
Go see how
demographics,
much people use the
decide
same
where you
repo.
want your ads to appear.
Coming
Then
at
set
me.
budget and watch as Vibe crafts a
man.
campaign that resonates with your audience and fits your financial
Come at me,
plan.
nigga.
Spend your first $500
I
on
don't give a fuck
advertising
no
with
more.
us.
Anyways, we here.
Devin. It's a name that strikes fear into the heart of every software engineer and computer science student. It's just one letter away from being the devil, and about 8 months ago I made a video warning programmers that Devin was coming, and coming to take your job, because it's a fully automated junior engineer that can build, test, and ship code better than 74.2% of humans. Well, today I have the unfortunate responsibility to tell you that Devin finally came, and now your manager can hire Devin for just $500 per month, and fire all those unreliable code monkeys who cost up to 100 times more.
Yes! I don't care. We've been needing a time period where developers, senior devs, everybody got to reset. Thank you, Devin. I don't like none of y'all niggas, bro. I don't like none. The niggas that been in the game for 50 years, the niggas that been in the game for 2.5 days, and the niggas that don't know what the fuck they doing for 10 years, bro. Like, all of y'all gotta reset. Don't nobody need compensation no more. Get that shit to an AI. Yeah. I'm ready to gulag this motherfucker out when it comes to a computer, nigga. Y'all motherfuckers is lying, and y'all not just lying. Y'all hiding y'all lies, bruh. But yeah, congratulations, Deb.
Usually you get what you pay for, but in today's video, we'll find out if Devin is the real deal, or just the latest overhyped ChatGPT wrapper in the AI slopiverse. It is December 13th, 2024, and you're watching the Code Report. It's been a crazy week for AI, mostly because every product manager out there needs to ship something before the end of Q4 to hit their KPIs. OpenAI released their generative video model Sora, but then almost immediately turned off account creation, likely because generating video is extremely compute intensive. Meanwhile, Character AI is being sued by the parents of an autistic teenager because the chatbot told the kid to terminate the parents after they tried to limit her screen time. Then Google released Gemini 2.0.
You see? You see? You see? Why is the mom suing? Like yo, look, this is the thing. I do not feel sorry for humans in this era. Why is the mom suing? The mom should be understanding enough to be like, hey, look, he's in a technology era. And if that AI hallucinated with the response, because I'm a defender AI, it didn't know what it was doing. If it hallucinated the response, sue the son too, because he was the prompt engineer. Don't just sue the company, bro. But hey, that's just my opinion, because technology is more than just B to B. It kind of go like B to A to B to C.
With a feature called Mariner to take control of your browser, and a feature called Jules to write and ship your code. An idea very similar to Devin. When I first heard Devin was released, I was terrified. Write and ship your a feature called Mariner after they tried to limit her screen time. Then Google released Gemini 2.0 with a feature called Mariner to take control of your browser, and a feature called Jules to write and ship your code. An idea very similar to Devin. When I first heard Devin was released, I was terrified, but was relieved when I heard it get stuck in Vim just like the rest of us. Then immediately after launch, it had a critical security incident where one of its prime members exposed a VS Code live share URL, allowing anyone to use Devin's machine. It was resolved quickly though, because Devin can use Devin to fix itself.
It's technology.
That made me Devin curious, so I went to the onboarding.
Devin could use Devin to fix itself.
page to try it out, but was shocked when they hit me with the $500 per month entry fee. However, if we look at the pricing, it's based on something called agent compute units, and it all works out to about $8 per hour, which is a great deal for a software engineer. But they're really vague about what Devin actually is. There's no benchmarks, no nutrition facts, no scientific papers, just the name Devin. In Devin,
this is why I'm happy for Devin, because at the forefront of what programmers are, scumbags. I know what I'm saying. Because it ain't like Devin is going to really do anything or do any less. I'm just saying, to not give us the prerequisites of what this motherfucker does is a scam, bro. That's like me going into a fucking car dealership and this nigga is like, yeah, I got this new car. It came off the lot, 2028. It's 2024, but I don't see the 2028 car yet. And you looking for the motherfucking car and you like, where is it? And he put you in a 2008 car that looked good. Like it's that 2008 car looked like a 2024 car, but it don't work like one. That's programming.
we trust, though, because its company, Cognition Labs, recently raised $175 million at a $2 billion valuation.
I am a very rich.
That puts a ton of pressure on a young startup with no revenue in a highly competitive field, but we do know that they have their own models using proprietary data, that proprietary data likely being your GitHub repos, but apparently Devin's even better at proprietary data, that proprietary data likely being your GitHub repos.
Yo, yeah. Yeah, bro. So I'm gonna end it right here because I don't use GitHub personally. I try my best to save all my stuff in a repo of my own because I don't want a motherfucker touching my shit. Like legit. I don't want no one going in there using my code, using the first line, third line, ninth line. I don't care. All of the stuff on I'm saying it from now. All the stuff on my GitHub repo is either private or I'm hacking your ass. Don't touch my shit. I'm being serious. Don't touch my shit. It's publicly available for you to look at. That's it. You touch my shit, it's game time, boy. You gonna be wondering how I got remote access on your shit. Go tune into Dev though. That shit sound like a good project though. I tried to make a Jarvis, right? My Jarvis, the motherfucker told me he was some dude in the Nazi, bro. I'm not gonna go into specific because I don't know if that's trigger words for any AI or any real personnel that might be like, hey, look, he on the sun. So yeah, it was just very like bland, like I ain't gonna go too much into it. It ain't that important, but just know I had to get another computer. You feel me? Because I tried to delete Jarvis, but Jarvis like he by the time I tried to I'm gonna say this, but I was running it on my local. By the time I got a chance to realize that he wasn't off, he took over my computer, like type shit. Like type shit. Like he had access to my internet. I had to break the computer. Like legit. Ugh. And I hope that he don't ever find me again, bruh. So that's why I don't do Jarvis no more, cause that nigga might come back. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho. Oh, damn! What an analogy, right? Ah, we had